brings tariff in the US, will Sangagiri truck owners face losses? And will Chennai Central Station be filled with people returning home? Can changes in US affect India? Trump tariffs in the US didn't just affect the textile industry, but directly affected the Tamil Nadu trucks. This is called the butterfly effect. One policy change in the US can impact all the way to Tirupur, Sangagiri and Namakkal. Many migrant workers have started going back. Modi says DMK is harassing Bihari workers. DMK says there is no harassment at all. But the reality is simple. Textile factories in Tirupur, Coimbatore, Erode and Karur depend heavily on workers from Bihar, UP and Odisha. And those workers also depend back for salaries, decent house and regular work. But now, Chennai Central, Coimbatore, Tirupur stations are full of crowd. Thousands of migrant workers have started going back to their native. Reason is no work, income cut and survival has been difficult. Now why there is no work? Trump tariff, factory shutdowns, people leaving. Let's connect all the dots together. Now, what happens when US put tariffs on India? Exporting goods from India to the US becomes expensive. Countries like Bangladesh, Sri Lanka and Pakistan have lower tariffs. So the US orders have been diverted to those countries. In Tirupur, export factories have shut down 20% and 50% of them reduced their operations. 10 to 20% salary cut has been done and 50% of layoff, mostly UP Bihar migrants. This is the reason behind the textile industry collapse. People who went home for Diwali have not returned yet because there is no work. Butterfly impact on trucking is a major part we should understand. When textiles slow down, the most impacted industry is trucking. Tirupur to Chennai ports, loads have reduced. Even Bangladesh Tirupur waste cloth movement has been dropped. Hundreds of containers daily moved from Chennai to Toothukudi port. But now, exports have dropped from 30 to 35%. Loads drastically reduced. Sangagiri Namakkal truck owners have been hit very hard. Garment loads have gone. Power loom, yarn, cotton loads are slow. Freight rates have dropped and daily 10,000 trucks are sitting idle. The crowd at Chennai Central is a proof of this slowdown. UP Bihar workers are leaving. Factories are without laborers now. Now factory production slows. Truck has no load. Workshops, drivers, owners, everyone are suffering. Trump tariffs, order drops, factory closes, workers leaves, production slows down, trucks stays idle. This is what Tamil Nadu trucking is facing. Now, what can save Tirupur and trucking cluster? Even if export slows down, trucking can revive if internal demand improves. GST cut down has given slight improvement, but still US orders were the backbone of Tirupur. India needs a quick trade deal to fix this. Only then textile business will revive. If textile business revives, trucking will also revive. This isn't a quick fix. The trade deal must be solved by December. We request the central government from the behalf of migrant workers, textile manufacturers and truck owners. Let us know what you think in the comment section. Thank you for watching.